I'm 15, still in school, but I'm building a startup that gives creators, from YouTubers to Instagram influencers, hours of their time back every single week without any hassle. Hi, I'm Jignesh Jogal, and this is my journey. Most people my age are focused on homework, exams, or scrolling through social media. I'm focused on building a real product, an AI-powered tool that solves problems thousands of creators face every single week. I'm doing this not because I have to, but because I love turning ideas into something real. Before starting this project, I worked as a freelancer, building websites for clients. It taught me how to meet deadlines, solve real-world problems, and create things people actually use. Those skills and the confidence I got from freelancing pushed me to try something bigger, my own startup. Every week, creators waste hours just trying to extract content from their own videos. YouTubers dig through hours of footage for one clip. Students take forever to get notes from lectures. Researchers spend days transcribing interviews, and the tools out there are either too slow, too expensive, or just not built for speed and simplicity. That's why I built my AI transcript tool. Just paste a YouTube video, channel, or even an entire playlist link, and in seconds you get clean, accurate transcripts instantly. No messy formatting, no endless copying and pasting, just pure, organized text ready for scripts, summaries, captions, or whatever you need. For creators, this means more time creating instead of editing. For students, it means faster, cleaner notes to help you study smarter. For researchers, it means instant data so you can focus on insights, not extraction. I started this with no funding, no team, and no big office. Just a laptop, curiosity, and a lot of persistence. I'm learning to code, design, and market my own product, all while keeping up with school. It's not easy balancing both, but every late night and every bug fixed is worth it. And this is just the beginning. I'm working on AI-generated summaries, instant translations, advanced search, and more tools that help creators on every platform work faster and smarter. If you want to see how far I, Jignesh Jogal, a 15-year-old student founder, can take a startup from scratch, subscribe and follow my journey. This is just the beginning, and I'm just getting started.